Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle and this is Shell's Budgets. Today I am going to do an unboxing, and this is an Amazon unboxing of a A6 wallet, budgeting wallet I found on Amazon. And yeah, just so excited because I don't have a budgeting wallet. I have like my budgeting binders, and I just dropped the other one. I have my budgeting binders, which I don't know if I'm gonna later on, maybe a year from now I might update, but you know, I need a budgeting wallet because the current wallet I have right now is from Steve Madden. It's like from TJ Maxx, and that thing is like busting wide open, so I needed a bigger wallet for everyday expenses. So I just wanted to do an unboxing with you guys on video and show you guys what it looks like. And it comes in this little box. It came in this box, and then it comes like this little dust bag. And when you open it, it comes with this, and it comes with the stickers, and you can pick, you know, whatever you want on your envelopes, because, and the only reason I picked this one because it came with the envelopes, and that was too exciting to pass up, so I was like, okay, all right. Even though I can always go on Etsy to get some wallets, I just you know, I think that's gonna have to be later, because as of right now it's not really in the budget. So anyway, so you get the wallet, and the wallet looks like this. I think it's adorable. And they had other colors there, and I can link down below where I got this wallet from, and I can also show you on the screen the different colors that they had. But this is the wallet. It's pretty darn big. My Steve Madden one is pretty small, and I'll show you a picture of what it looks like here. And yeah, so they have this little thing here where you can put on your wrist. It's a wristlet. And when you open it, whoops, when you open it, it looks like this. Now, one thing I will say about this wallet is that this key ring is removable. So you can take it out if you want to. If you don't want to be, you know, having your envelopes in there, you don't have to. There is a complaint that I do have, and it's with this. It doesn't go down all the way, and then when you open it, I'm going to show you. It's kind of like, it won't open all the way unless I go like this. And unfortunately for me, I have man strength, so I really hope I don't break it like that. But that's something that I instantly like kind of like looked at it. I was like, oh no, this is not gonna be good. They also have a pocket here, and I'm assuming that this is for extra change. There is one that's for your ID. 1, 2, 3, 3 pockets. You also have these extra pockets. So there's like a SIM thing here. You put a SIM, and I don't know what that is. I think they're just both SIM things, but our pockets, so that's a good thing. And like I said, it's pretty big, pretty hefty. I like it because it's heavy. This is the package that came with it, and let me show y'all. Let's see. This is the envelopes that came with it, but I'll show you. I'll get to that in a second. This is budget sheets, and this came with the other Amazon ordered A7 that I got. I think it was this one. It came with this one too, because I also got that off of Amazon. And these are pretty cool. These come in handy. I don't use them much, but yeah, they come in handy. These are slips, and I'm not really. Let me look at it real quick. I guess if you just need to take down notes or something, that's what these are for. You can write the memo number and the date as well. And this is what I'm most excited about. The envelopes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This comes with 6 envelopes, which is very exciting. I love that. And then they come with these. To be honest, y'all, I really don't know what this is for. I don't know how do you open this either. Oh, it's like maybe the extra cards in there or something. Who knows? Or maybe like to decorate your wallet, because I know they have dashboards and stuff like that. But I don't think I'm gonna be using those. I'm pretty excited about this purchase, and I am gonna go ahead. Let me just go ahead and I want to see how this goes. That's, I don't know. It's kind of hard to like open, but that's okay. I could deal with it. I'll put these in. I don't want to get my finger. Let me just, there we go. Yeah, so they fit in here perfectly, and then you still should have room for like other stuff. It's sturdy though. It really is sturdy, so that's a good thing I like about this. I will talk about the envelopes that they have. I did not know that they make matte vellum envelopes, but it's not like, it's not sturdy like the other ones. Like the other ones are like, you know, if you get it from like a personal like a person that's on like on YouTube, it's like Etsy, like they like make sure their envelopes are really, really good. These are kind of, I don't know if you can hear it or not, but flimsy. Maybe it's just like one sheet of matte vellum or something. I don't really know how you say that, but because I don't know the process of how, you know, the envelopes are being made. But this is, yeah, it's definitely flimsy. But I mean, it should last me a moment for a little bit while I freaking get my life together and get some other envelopes. But they're cute, you know, they're cute. It's not like the, let me see if I could show you one. So these, you know, obviously clearly it's kind of like it's a little bit more sturdier than these, but except these have like the zip. And these are like my favorite envelopes ever. But these, I mean, for me, I think these need to be a little more sturdier, because if you have like a mother like me that's like, I don't know if there's any other people out there like this, but I have man strength, so sometimes I really have to be careful what I'm doing with my stuff. And these, I foresee myself ripping these. I don't know why, but I hope I don't. But yeah, overall, I'm happy with the purchase. I'm happy that I got a budgeting wallet. It's so exciting, and I can't wait to use it. I will be putting some of these stickers on there, because I do need to put like probably dining out is a big one. Let's see, what else would I put down? Transportation, obviously we need gas, y'all. We need gas. And housing, because I'm forever going to buy stuff for the house, and entertainment, and then it's gonna be groceries. I'm about to go ahead and just put this on here. I do need gas, so gas is a big one, y'all. Y'all know this. I'm about to put this on the back of this, though. Let's put this here. And then I'm going to put... Honestly, I think like these, if they would have did 2, then it would have been good. But there's no like weird color, and it's all like white, so that's good. Let's do entertainment. I'm gonna put entertainment on this one. Whoops. Entertainment on that one. And then let's do... Let's do dining out, because like who doesn't do that? Okay, y'all, so that's my unboxing for this wallet. I'll put the name and the link to this wallet if you're interested. I don't know off the bat how much it is, but I'll pop it right here, somewhere around here or on the screen how much this was. I'm excited, and it's so beautiful because it has a rose, but very sturdy overall. Happy about the purchase. Hopefully I don't accidentally rip it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet, but I will figure it out. I might just use these. This honestly is really good. I like this. These are honestly really good, just to have down notes. So I might put one in there and maybe like a budget sheet or so, but we'll see. And I don't think I'll be using these, but if you like anything like this, maybe for like cards, make extra room or something, you'll like that. I'm not really a big fan of it. If you guys like this wallet, I can link the link down below. Let me know in the comments what brand of A7, A6, or even an A5. I don't think they do have budget wallets that big, but if you do, leave a comment down below of which one you guys have. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. It's my first unboxing on the channel, so I'm a little bit nervous. So, and I haven't really been filming lately, so just been kind of in like a funk a little bit, but I'm back, and I hope you guys like this unboxing, and I hope you guys check out this wallet. It's pretty cheap, so cheap for good quality, and yeah. Thank you guys so much, and have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.